Hey, it's Jen, and I want to unbox this doTERRA Dawn humidifier for you and show you how to set it up and use it. So we already actually have a couple of these in our house. We love them, but we want one in every bedroom. So you know that viruses thrive in dry air. So you want to get a really good essential oil humidifier. So when something hits you or when you're just trying to prevent, you have a good tool to put moisture in the air. So this is the Dawn humidifier. This is the box it comes in, and it comes out like this. It's in plastic here. So let me try to get the plastic off of it the best I can to show you. Now, this is a big tool. It holds a lot of water, which I'm gonna show you in 1 minute. Okay, I may need scissors to get the plastic all the way off. So when you are setting this up, people get a little confused on where to put the water. I'm gonna show you. Now this is an actual plug-in. You know, some diffusers and tools have batteries or they're chargeable. This one's not. This is an actual plug-in. And you are just gonna take, this is the lid, take it apart like this. Okay. And this is what it looks like. You're gonna, when you're setting it up, you're obviously gonna piece this apart so you can, you're gonna get this tape off of there. Now, almost all of the packaging is off of it. All right, so you're gonna have 3 pieces. You're gonna have the bottom piece. This is the base that has the plug. You're gonna have this piece right here, and it fits on a specific way. You can see there's a little groove that it goes into. And then you've got this little piece right here. That is the lid. Some people want to put it on like a hat, but that's not how it goes. It actually goes this way and it diffuses up into the air. So not only is this a humidifier, you guys, this is an actual essential oil diffuser humidifier. And this is such a good tool. So this is what it looks like when it's empty. Let me show you how much water it can hold. It holds a lot. So this is a gallon pitcher. It's not all the way full, but pretty full. And you're gonna pour it right into the top. Make sure that you don't go over the line or it won't work well. So get it up to the line. It's a lot of water. And the oil that I'm gonna show you today is one of my favorite oils, which is X oil. So this oil is actually super supportive to your respiratory system, really good for your lungs because it has an oil in it called Litsea, which is a powerhouse. So you're gonna just take your oil, whatever oil you want, and you're gonna put it right there on top. I'm really generous because this is a big humidifier. It holds a lot of water and it's gonna run for a long time. Again, viruses thrive in dry air. So you don't want dry air in your home, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna plug this in, which I can't do at the moment because I'm not standing by a plug. Just plug it in once you get it full. And then there is a little button right here on the top. And so you can just push it 1, 2, 3 times. And then the 3rd time is high. And the stream that comes out of this is a ton. Wait till you see this. So I think you guys are gonna love the Dawn humidifier. Hope you can get one of these, and I hope that's helpful to you.